It ain't because your parents, it ain't because nobody, it's just a disease that can happen to anyone anytime.
The most mature young men I've met in a while. They can't help but be.
Because my brother Kello, he got hit by a car, he has brain damage now.
Brothers with two siblings living with mental illness.
I have a sister that has mental illness, and she is in a facility in South Carolina.
A 9 and 10-year-old learning to support from people with a lot of it to offer.
I am a person with lived experience with mental illness.
Mothers, fathers, spouses, sharing how mental illness touches them.
I have two children that were diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
It's mind-boggling, especially when you have a child who denies that they have a mental illness.
My whole family is affected by it, not just me or the person with mental illness, substance abuse, family, friends. It goes down to the family animal. They know something is going on.
They are members of the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI, as they say, a support group with his own mascot that strives to teach you are not alone.
The primary function of NAMI is to advocate, to provide education for the individuals in the community, and to support one another in any way we can.
And on this night, the Greenville chapter allowed us to join them to see firsthand a good thing in motion.
I got the word of NAMI and come to see NAMI, and started to realize I'm not the only one in this world with the same problem.
From the mature.
Tell me about these meetings. What is this group of people around you? What do you think of that?
It's pretty good because they talk about their feelings and stuff.
And that's good.
Yep.
To the innocent.
I think they know what you're feeling, and they can feel it too. We're not the only ones that have people related to us that have mental illness.
My husband and I would have collapsed if it had not been for this group. The emotion is that this child of ours is sick. And so many people express, or you feel that they're expressing this stigma. This is not anything we did to him. It is not anything he did to himself.
The stigma of mental illness is an obstacle. It burdens a family with unique challenges that certainly take an emotional toll.
I just think the toughest things for parents that have young children with a mental illness is that other parents are right there to judge, or possibly teachers thinking that we haven't done enough, that our children are acting out.
So much is frustrating for these people. You spend 10 minutes with them, it's very easy to see. But this group is a great place. It's a safe haven for them to learn, to teach, and to love, all through the simple act of sharing.
You find out that people with mental illness, we all have the same sort of challenges.
Fighting mental illness together in a way even the simplest heart can hear.
What about when people make fun of people with mental illness? How does that make you feel?
It just ain't right. You're just not supposed to make fun of people. They have a mental problem.
It's not their fault. It's nothing they can handle. Nothing they can control. It's just a disease that happened to them. They can't change it.